Hey, Ethan Wagner here, dock fabricator and installer at Pond King. Today I'd like to talk to you about our standard steel floating docks. These docks are designed to last a lifetime and can be customized with many different options to help you enjoy your time down at the pond. Pond King's floating standard steel docks are designed to withstand the extremes of Texas and Oklahoma weather. The all-welded galvanized steel frames are stout enough to withstand the constant winds that blow across our open landscapes. The hot-dipped galvanized fasteners and other top-quality components resist rusting, all of which allow us to offer a 10-year warranty on the frame. The floats we use to keep your dock high and dry are encapsulated polyethylene shells with UV inhibitors to help defend against the hot Texas sun and carry their own 15-year warranty from Insulbead. The composite decking we use is some of the densest on the market. Whether you choose the standard coconut husk color or gray, it won't crack, split, splinter, or rot, and carries a 25-year limited warranty from its manufacturer, TimberTech. Additionally, our floating dock design includes several hinge points, and it is this hinge system that allows our docks to accommodate water elevation changes up to 10 feet. When you order a standard steel dock from us, we will ask you a lot of questions to make sure we can get the fully assembled dock to its installation site. We'll also ask that you have the installation site cleared, so when we arrive with your dock, the first thing we'll do is set the base. Sometimes, we have to bring along one of our pontoon boats and float the dock to its location, but most of the time, we'll just back it right into your pond and connect the walkway and dock. Then, we'll secure the walkway to the base. Oftentimes, our customers will choose to add an access ramp, so it's not such a big step up to the walkway. If you're getting railing on the deck of your dock, the dock will arrive with that already attached, but most of the other accessories will be added on location, so you can decide where you want things. Typically, a standard steel dock installation takes about 4 hours, and then the dock is ready for use. At that point, all that's left is for you to enjoy your new outdoor space for years to come. If you have any questions or ideas for future videos, please leave a comment below. If you found this information helpful, please use the button to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you down at the pond.